This is why most scraped lists are 20 to 40% bad, and no one talks about what that actually costs you. Here's a draft for the opening after your hook. Here's the part most people ignore. If you scrape a list and 20 to 40% of it is bad, that means out of 1,000 emails, 200 to 400 are invalid, outdated, or risky, and every one of those hits your sender reputation. Now here's what that actually means. Those emails bounce. Or worse, they hit spam traps. Email providers don't see effort. They see risk. So your domain gets flagged. Your open rates drop. Even your good emails start landing in spam. And now the 600 to 800 good contacts, pause, they don't even see you. And this is where most people make the mistake. They think volume fixes the problem, but volume just multiplies the damage. Because the sender's reputation isn't built on how much you send, it's built on how clean your data is. So, before you hit send on that 1,000 person list, pause, would you still send it knowing 400 of those emails are working against you?